Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the brush blocked error on your Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro. So first what we want to do is we want to grab the robot. So let's go over and let's grab it. Now let's turn it upside down, and here we got the side brush just like here, and we can pull it out, and after we pull it out we want to make sure that we clean this part where it's stuck to. We want to clean it of any debris or anything else. So after we clean it, we can just simply mount it back in. It goes in instantly and we can just keep on using it. Now for the main brush, it is right here and we want to press on this side. So we have an arrow that we want to press, and now the second side, the holder just comes off and we can just push it out. So let me quickly place the robot here. Here we got the entire brush. We want to make sure that we clean it thoroughly, and we want to make sure that it is not blocked by anything. And now we want to put it back in. So the plate, we're not worrying about it. Now first we're going to focus on putting it in there. So to put it in a good way, let me show you how to do that. We're gonna go and put the orange thing into the white thing right there, and it is automatically plugged in. Now to put the pack back in, we got those three things we need to put first. So we're gonna pull them like this and press it until we hear a click. Now it is done. We have cleaned the brushes, and that's basically how you guys can easily fix the brush blocked error. So now we can restart the cleaning to show that the error is gone and that it would do the cleaning. So let me quickly put it back in its spot. And now let's start a cleanup. Right here in the app, we're gonna click on Start Cleanup.
Start cleanup.
And as you guys can see, it is going out of the box, so let me just pause it.
Stop cleanup.
And there's no error, that's just blocking our brush. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.